This is the reason why most of this RTX and GTX laptop is very expensive. Okay, you guys can see. You can see how this system is running the face very smoothly without any problem. This is GTX. This is not even RTX 1660 Ti. Ti is quite faster. But you guys can see this system does what this system does. This system is not meant for everybody. It's only meant for people that really need it. It's not every system that can, take on high graphics softwares like this that is up to 16 to 20 gig of software, one software. Now, you can see my face is still the same. Beautiful girl like me. If I carry cup and drink, it's still the same thing. Okay? Now, if I decide to bring an eyeglass and put on an eyeglass, it is going to still be the same thing. Let me put on an eyeglass so that you guys can see. I feel fine. Oh, see, fine girl. You guys can see how smooth this system is going. You can see my face. It's quite very smooth. Hi, this girl too fine. You can still remove the hair and let me see how fine I am as a girl. If it's not a girl, I'm for too fine. See, fine girl. So you guys can see what this system does that makes this system expensive. It's not every laptop that can be able to do this. Okay, you can get Core i7 or Core i9 or whatever. You cannot do this. This laptop I showed yesterday is Republic of Gamers. Open box. Open box does not come all the time. So if you're opportunity to get any open box that I put on this channel, fine and good. It's your luck. That is why I say it's one lucky person. This application is actually meant for video call on WhatsApp, Zoom, Skype, YouTube, Hangout, any application or any website or any software that can make video call on laptop or on desktop. This application can actually change your face in a live video call. Now, for those of you that would like to have this software installed and programmed in your system for it to work smoothly, just bear in mind that I can have it installed in your system regardless of where you're living, whether you're living in the US, Europe, Asia, Arab country, any part of Africa, anywhere you're living, whether you're living in Nigeria, any state, I can run the installation comfortably from the comfort of my home or anywhere I am. Once I have my laptop, I can run the installation in your system. Now, your system needs to meet the minimum requirement, which is Core i7, Core i9, or Ryzen processor, Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9, 15 or 32 GB RAM, 10 series GeForce NVIDIA graphics card, 10 series 20, 30, then 40 beta or AMD high graphics card. So if you want it installed in your system, the cost is just only $100. I'll log into your system, I'll do all the installation, I'll do all the programming work and make sure that it's running very smoothly. Okay, so those of you that want this software can write me directly through my WhatsApp number.